In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Udemy credit balance to bank account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your browser and navigating to the Udemy website. Sign in with the account that holds the credit balance you want to transfer. If you normally sign in with Google or another single sign-on method, feel free to use it, but make sure you're in the correct account so you don't try to move credits from the wrong profile. Once you're logged in and on the Udemy homepage, move your cursor to the top right corner and click the profile icon. This opens a short menu with several account options. Look through that menu and select Purchase History. That section shows recent purchases, refunds, and any available Udemy credit tied to your account. On the Purchase History page, scan the screen for the option that allows transferring credits to your bank account. If the option appears, click it to open the transfer form. You will see text fields asking for your bank details and other necessary information. Enter your bank account number, routing or sort code as required, and the account holder name exactly as it appears on your bank records. Carefully type any other requested information, such as your bank's name, branch, or payment method preferences. Before you submit the transfer, take a moment to double-check every field. Confirm that the account number and routing code are correct and that the name matches your bank account. Errors here can delay the transfer or cause funds to be returned. When you're confident everything is accurate, proceed to confirm the transfer of your available credit balance. After you confirm, check your email associated with the Udemy account for a confirmation notification. Keep an eye on your bank for the incoming funds and be aware that transfers can take several business days depending on your bank and region. If you don't see the money after the expected time frame, revisit your purchase history and transaction details or contact Udemy support for help. If you find that the transfer option isn't available, it may be because there is no credit balance on the account. In that case, you won't be able to initiate a transfer until you have an available Udemy credit balance. That covers the whole process. Follow these steps carefully, verify your bank details, and allow a few business days for processing. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, remember to subscribe and like the video.